This is the brand new Ubuntu 26.04 LTS with a stunning HYPRLAND setup that you must try in 2026. In this video, I will show you how to transform Ubuntu into a modern and beautiful desktop. Now, thanks to developers, the installation is fully automated, which allows you to set up HYPRLAND in just a few minutes. The first thing to do after installing Ubuntu 26.04 LTS is to update your system by typing this command. Once it's done, reboot your system. Now go ahead and open Terminal. Then enter this command to install all the packages which is needed. Then install Timeshift by running this command. It allows you to create system snapshots of your root and home directories. If something goes wrong with the HYPRLAND dotfiles, you can restore the snapshot and recover your system back to the normal state, which means you don't need to reinstall Ubuntu. Next, open Settings and navigate to the Power section. Then disable Dim Screen, Automatic Screen Blank, and Power Saver to prevent the system from interrupting the installation. It's time to set up the HYPRLAND environment using the automated installation script created by the Maverick developer. Before proceeding, visit the GitHub page and review the documentation to understand how HYPRLAND works on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. Next, copy this installation command and paste it into the terminal. This will clone the repository and launch the installer. Then type Y and press Enter to continue. Now use the arrow keys to navigate, space to select options, and Enter to confirm. Now go ahead and press Enter to start the installation. The script will automatically detect your login manager. In my case, it's GDM, which works perfectly with HYPRLAND. So I simply pressed Enter to continue. Next, the installer will detect your NVIDIA GPU and offers to install the proprietary drivers. Now press Enter to confirm. You would then prompt to add the current user to the input group. Now press Enter again. A list of components will appear. Now use the spacebar to select items and the arrow keys to navigate. I have selected everything except the ROG option. If you are using ASUS ROG laptop, you can enable this option. Now once you have made your selections, press Tab to highlight OK, then press Enter. Now confirm your choices and enter your password if prompted. The installer will now download, build, and install the required packages. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and keep your laptop plugged into the power source to avoid interruptions. Next, go ahead and choose your keyboard layout. I will stick with the default US keyboard by typing Y and pressing Enter. And lastly, you will be asked to download additional wallpapers. I will select No. When the installation is complete, you should see a message confirming that all packages were installed successfully. If any packages fail to install, simply rerun the script, review any errors, and ensure everything is installed correctly before rebooting your system. On the login screen, select your user account, then switch the session to HYPRLAND and enter your password and login. And that's it, you are now running the HYPRLAND desktop environment on Ubuntu. This is one of the most feature-rich HYPRLAND configurations available. The developer gives you complete freedom to customize the desktop, tweak the panel layout, change wallpapers, and much more. After logging into HYPRLAND, press Super+H to open the built-in help menu. You will find a list of key bindings, application launchers, wallpaper settings, and other useful configuration options. I highly recommend reviewing this list and memorizing some shortcuts. For example, you can close the active window by pressing Super+Q. Now press Super+Enter to launch the Kitty terminal, which comes pre-configured with the Z shell environment. It's time to customize HYPRLAND configuration files. Now simply navigate into this directory. You can see all the configuration files are neatly organized for easy access. For example, let's modify the key bindings configuration file and add a shortcut to launch the Chrome browser. Assign Super+M as the key binding. Then save the file with Ctrl+S and exit using Ctrl+X. Next, open brand new workspace using the workspace switcher and press Super+M, and as you can see, the Chrome browser opens instantly. You can also switch between workspaces using a 3-finger swipe gesture on your touchpad. It's time to change your wallpaper. Now simply press Super plus W. This opens the wallpaper picker, which allows you to browse and apply available wallpapers. HYPRLAND also makes it very easy to customize the desktop theme. Go ahead and press Super plus D to open the application launcher, then search for GTK settings. Now from here, you can change the widget theme, icons, fonts, and cursor style. You can even adjust the mouse cursor size to match with your preferences. It's time to customize the Waybar layout. Now press Super plus Alt plus B. This will open the menu with few options. For example, you can position the Waybar to the bottom of the screen by choosing the bottom layout. If you want to change the Waybar's appearance, simply press Super plus Ctrl plus B and choose a style that suits your preferences. Now beyond looks, Waybar provides quick access to essential system controls including Wi-Fi settings, notifications, audio controls, and the power menu. You can also customize the Rofi theme and other UI elements. Now press Super plus Ctrl plus R. Then go ahead and choose your theme or layout you prefer. Then press Ctrl plus S to save the changes. Once the layout is applied, you will instantly notice the fresh Rofi application launcher and Waybar design. And that's pretty much it. These are the best Ubuntu 26.04 LTS HYPRLAND dotfiles, which delivers an excellent desktop experience with powerful customization options. A huge thanks to the developers who continue to make Linux more beautiful and user-friendly. Now be sure to look out the GitHub page to explore additional configuration options and features. And lastly, if you have any questions or queries, do post them in the comment section down below and I will try to help you. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.